53 people has joined. Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes, now you can talk. I'll change the setting. Now you can talk. Yes, good evening, everyone. So, hope you all are good and enjoying these rough and tough sessions.
Yes, ma'am. Too good.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, G. Hello, hello. I'm not looking at the chat box right now. I'm looking at your faces.
Yeah,
See,
we have
I have done my homework. I just wanted to show you. There's a list of the people who have done their work.
Wow.
Around 60 people. 60
You did
people
your
have
homework.
done the work.
You did your homework.
So I am also working along with you. It's not like this key, bas teacher aayi or lesson plan diya and then she moved on. No, I am doing lot of work behind that.
But Kavita, isn't it the same as what you were doing before? You still have to prepare the classes.
No, it's totally different.
No, you still have to prepare.
I'm the boss here.
No, not in that sense. I mean, you still have to prepare our classes. You still have to prepare.
Yes, I need to. In fact, I was working for this project from last 1.5 months.
So that's
Not
what I'm
that
saying.
simple.
You still have to prepare.
You're putting a lot of effort for us.
Yeah, and it's not like this. You people are sitting here for that. You must be thinking, you have come to me. No, I have invited you. How? I have done the publicity. So
Yes.
that promo can reach to everyone.
Indeed.
So lot of preparation was going on behind this.
There's always a lot of behind the scene work before it can be seen on screen.
Yes. So today our class will be till 7:30. And
today we are going to have coffee.
So let the people, yes, it's your choice if you want to drink coffee along with your work, but you'll forget to drink.
I had my tea.
61 participants. Let's wait till after 70, then I start the session. Hope you have everything. See, I'm just showing you a container full of water, spoon,
yes.
Or if you have this nozzle, if this is not compulsory, okay, mandatory.
Okay.
And then coffee.
That you have said that
palette.
it is not compulsory.
Palette. If you don't want to use palette, then you can use this container. और ये भी नहीं करना है तो then this कटोरी is more than sufficient. कुछ भी मिल जाए जिसमें बस कॉफी खोलना है. And of course brushes and hand towel. Okay.
I have a big towel.
Yes, that's perfect. One big should be also there just to clean your hands.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, G.
Good evening. Vedika here.
Okay, Vedika.
It's a green coffee, ma'am.
Green, no green coffee. It's Nescafe.
Okay.
And we need fine powder of that. Nescafe, I already have written there.
Okay. नहीं वो आपने सैशे दिखाया ना वो ग्रीन कॉफी का है क्या व्हाइट कलर का सैशे दिखाया
We need coffee powder. We need to take out coffee powder.
Okay.
How many? 64 people have joined right now.
And which brush
आप
number?
conduct करोगे? Kashvi, yes. Yes, I was thinking about that because I got so much of requests related to basic mandala. Many has missed, so I am planning to conduct that, or most probably this month. I'll do that again, but now I want to limit. And I want to explain something related to healing mandalas also. See what we are doing here. You are just in this copy mandala, you are copying my work. Okay. And this is not my objective. I want you to make your own. Just a minute. Let me close this chat box because I can hear so much of sound. Just a minute. Yes, now it has gone. So everyone can listen to me. Now you can talk through chat box, okay? There was a lot of disturbance when I was talking to you people. So now chat box is open. You can chat here. So my main agenda is to give you healing mandalas. See what is happening nowadays. You have seen this virus is spreading so much of fear. So I just want that you work on those type of mandala where you can heal your emotions, where you can work upon your chakras. See, I just give you my example. How many participants? Okay, 65. Let me talk. जब तक 70 नहीं होते. So let me talk about throat chakra. If your throat chakra is weak, you will not able to share, express your emotions confidently. You will not able to lead many people. So whatever is inside, that will be in only. You will feel shy to express your emotion. It is happening especially with ladies. When they are holding many responsibility, just they compromise, sacrifice many things. So why this is happening? Because our throat chakra is weak. Hope you all are comfortable. If anyone is not able to understand, if you want Hindi language, please write in the chat box. Anyone here who want Hindi language, हमारी मातृभाषा? Hindi, because yesterday, I don't know, I got message from someone. Yes, I am already doing that, both the language. I got message from someone like, ma'am, if you can speak in Hindi, that will be nice. Yeah, that's perfect. Please be comfortable. आपको जो चाहिए मिलेगा यहाँ. Please write. If no, don't write English. I'm asking what is my question. My question is who want Hindi? हमारी मातृभाषा किसको चाहिए? हिंदी. अनीशा, okay. ठीक है. चलो कविता हिंदी पे आओ. Anyway, so जो हमारा थ्रोट चक्रा होता है बेसिकली वो वीक होता है, इसीलिए हम उसको अपने जो इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते. कई जगह पे हम अपने आप को सरप्रेस कर लेते हैं, अपने आप को मार लेते हैं. दिस इज हैपनिंग. मतलब ये सारी जो हमारी महिलाएं हैं, स्पेशली वुमेन पावर हम कहते हैं, लेकिन इट इज नॉट द सेम. ये चीजें हिडन है जो फैमिली के अंदर, जॉइंट फैमिली, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली वहीं पे है. So ये चीजें एक्सप्रेस नहीं हो पा रही है. So what was my main agenda? Let me share my life experience with you. मेरा थ्रोट चक्रा बहुत ज्यादा वीक था. मैं अपनी चीजों को बिल्कुल एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती थी. इनफैक्ट अभी राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग हियर, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू कॉन्फिडेंटली. I have done some rituals related to this. That is only mandala power. So अभी आप लोगों ने एलिमेंट्स क्या बनाए? ट्राइंगल, ड्यूड्रॉप्स, पेटल, पॉइंटेड पेटल्स, डायमंड शेप, लाइंस, curves, यही सब work किया. But what I have done, there is a because I belong to healing community. My husband is astrologer, Vastu consultant. See, and I'm also tarot card reader. So what happened? जब आप healing modality में हो तो there are many people who also belong to this type of profession. So मेरा किसी के साथ interaction हुआ. She is from Australia. Then she introduced this mandala therapy, healing power का. So I have done the course. I paid huge amount for that. But what happened? उन्होंने वहाँ मुझे ये simple elements नहीं, उन्होंने मुझे just to balance the chakra, जैसे throat के लिए there is a symbol, particular symbol, there is particular mantra. I think the people who are here from south, उनको पता होगा ये सब चीजें कि थ्रोट के लिए कौन सा सिंबल होता है. जैसे हम यंत्रास बनाते हैं, जब हम दिवाली में लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करते हैं, वी मेक यंत्रा, आम पत्र पे बनाते हैं, वो भी तो वो मंडला का ही पार्ट होता है, जिसमें 2 ट्रायंगल्स बनते हैं, क्रॉसिंग ईच अदर, शिव एंड शक्ति. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे भी चक्रा से रिलेटेड सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं. सो जब मैंने मंडला बनाना शुरू किया, I have started working on that particular symbol जो throat chakra से related था, and उस symbol को मैंने repetitive manner में बनाया. जैसे आपने lotus 9 to 10 lotus you already draw in this mandala, and there is a reason behind that. I'll let you know about that कि हमने lotus क्यों लिया. ठीक है, ऐसे मैंने throat chakra का जो symbol था मैंने अपने मंडला में बनाया, और साथ में आई हैव डन लिटिल बिट ऑफ चैंटिंग पार्ट आल्सो. एंड छोटा सा एक और मैंने मंडला बनाया, आई पुट इट इन द टेंपल, एंड रोज मैं उसकी पूजा करती थी. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव सीन विद इन 9 months एक जैसे एक नई कविता पैदा हो जाती है ना. आई एम टोटली डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटी नाउ. सो इफ यू ask my husband, he is also shocked to see that magical change in me. So everything is within us, or I know how to express my emotions. कहाँ किसको बुरा लगेगा, लेकिन मुझे दबाना नहीं है. After all, I am also a human being. मैं क्यों अपने अंदर रखूं? I want to respect myself first. तो मैं बड़ी, जैसे कहते हैं ना, art of living, art of expressing, I have learned. वो मैंने कोई कोर्स करके नहीं सीखा. That is just mandala. I was working on that. Let me show you. I have अभी मैंने 2 रखे हैं जिसपे I am already working. It's a huge one. I don't know. So I am already working on this mandala. So एक और दिखाती हूँ. I am working on canvas also. So let me open. This one is too big. आप लोग अभी baby mandalas करें. There is a symbol. आप इसके सेंटर में देखो तो एक सिंबल है. So this one is still incomplete. I'm working on it, but why I'm working? Because I want to heal myself. I want to reach top of the world. So I have seen the magical effect. बस मेरा यही मेन पर्पस है. 2 चीजें मैं जिस फेस से निकली हूँ, I want to give this gift to society. So बहुत लंबी जर्नी है. People who really want to be with me, so वो आपकी चॉइस है. So अभी भी मैंने आपको बोला 250 people have joined, only 60 people have done the work. This is not simple mandala. ये आपको बहुत दूर तक लेके जाएगा और आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा. Kavita, the majority people who can't understand Hindi. Okay, I'm trying to mix up. Okay. So अब lotus पे आते हैं. Why we have taken lotus? Everyone knows lotus का birth कहाँ पर होता है? It rises from mud only. Okay, what is mud? If we compare with the real life, that is related to impurity. उस गंदगी में से भी इतनी सुंदर चीज निकल के आती है. Same way, we also have to merge out like the lotus. Whatever is our environment, चाहे हमारे पास में क्या हस्बैंड क्या कर रहे हैं, लॉस क्या कर रहे हैं, बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, इट शुड नॉट मैटर टू अस. टेक गुड थिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर एंड रिलीव बैड थिंग्स. वी हैव टू बी लाइक लोटस. सो यहाँ जो लोटस हमने बनाया, दैट इज, अगर आप इफ यू रीड अबाउट लोटस का, आप जस्ट नेट पे ही सर्च कीजिए, यू विल फाइंड मीनिंग ऑफ making lotus. You are connecting to spirituality. This is the basic reason. So मेरा पर्पस ही लोटस बनवाने का यही था कि wherever we are into kitchen, और जो भी हम अपने बच्चों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हस्बैंड का कर रहे हैं, वो सब थोड़ा सा डिस्कनेक्ट होके इस तरफ भी आए. So अभी आपको इसका इफेक्ट नहीं पता लगेगा, but once you start repeating lotus in your mandalas, you will find the difference. And please don't copy it. You will get ample of ideas, but those are only for beautifications. कितना सुंदर मंडला बन रहा है, it is so presentable, but that will not give you any effect. It should be pleasant to your eyes. आपके घर वाले ही आपको अप्रिशिएट करें, ओके यू डिड दिस, उससे ज्यादा और क्या चाहिए. डोंट लुक एट आउटसाइड कि बाहर क्या कर रही है, व्हाट आई हैव डन. माय जर्नी स्टार्टेड 3 years बैक. मंडला मेरी लाइफ में 1 साल पहले आया, एंड मंडला हैज गिवन अ लॉट. बार बार मैं यही कहूंगी, क्रेडिट गोज टू दिस आर्ट थेरेपी, जो फोकस और जो भी प्रेजेंट इसने मुझे स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे कनेक्ट किया है, दैट इज ओनली मंडला, चैंटिंग्स, yantras, and many other things. So 6:20, let me see, 70, yes, now crossing 70, so let's start up the class. So one thing I just want to declare right now, see, I'm sitting here, I already have done lot of arrangement. Yahan mera spotlight hai, mobile is on tripod, everything is there. See, I'm providing you everything. Now it's a time I want some of little bit of energy exchange. Whatever basic I have done in free, I have seen many people have taken granted. In spite of giving free, they have not given the value. Mandalas mere paas nahi aaye. So this time, the people who are really serious, who are really keen, and they want to be with me, then they need to pay 99 rupees for this course. Simply 99 rupees for basic course, because I don't want quantity, I want quality. अभी क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ, क्वांटिटी हो गई, इतने सारे लोग आ गए. No, please, I want serious people with whom I can interact on one-to-one basis. ऐसा नहीं कि इतने सारे मैसेज आ रहे हैं, I'll get lost. No, I'm there to guide you, but I want limited people. Those who are really keen, they can write the message to my personal chat box. Okay, interested, just they need to write interested. I will be sharing my Paytm account or maybe bank account. Just 99 rupees. I think everyone can afford that. इससे ज्यादा मैं और क्या बोलूं, but वो है कि उनके साथ फिर मेरा पर्सनल रहेगा. I don't want to be part of a big group. Hope it's clear to everyone. Okay, and one more thing, people have joined. I just want to show you. Look at my homework. I already have written your names. Your names are here. Those who already have done mandalas. Ahana, Bharti, Arshna, it's a long list. 60 people are there. So I am going to share on FB. I'm really thankful to these people who really have given that, what to say. I don't have words. You people are there, that's why I'm here. So let's start. It's 6:20 now. First of all, I'm going to give you a simple technique. Okay. शेडिंग का एक छोटा सा टिप मैं देना चाहती हूँ, so that you will not do that mistake in your coffee mandala. Can we spotlight on this? Just a minute. Yes, now you can have a look to this lotus. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tip of shading. We take out few colors down. These are chalk colors, by the way. So see, I have dark, medium, and light shade. These are the chalk colors. I don't know, maybe some people are not aware about these colors, but let me show you. I'm going to do shading with these colors. So, this is the upper petal, okay? This is the most visible. Just a minute. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to my table. See. So I'm starting from here. Same way you also have to do in Coffee Mandala. Darker tone will come this side. This is a darker area because this petal is hidden behind this. Okay, this is, let me write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to take medium shade. My table is moving today. Okay, and then this is the third shade I have taken, lighter one. So same way we'll be doing in Coffee Mandala. Now again, I'm going to take darker because this is the hidden part. So what I'm going to do, again, I will be covering this part with darker shade. Then medium. So I am just covering these two petals so that concept will be clear to you where we need to do darker shade. See, this is the way. So now hope you understood. If you want that this number 2 petals should come up, then you need to highlight like this only. Number 3, you need to do the darker most. Hope it's clear to everyone. It was not uploading with me. Also raining here. No power network issue. Will look. Soft pastels. Yes. What can I do? I can't help it. I wish कुछ मदद कर पाती मैं. So this is the way we are going to do in Coffee Mandala. Let me close this now. I'll move to second step. So what you need to do, I'm keeping it here, just a minute, this, so that it will be visible to you. You need to take Nescafe out. So you also have to do along with me, follow this, take out, maybe you can say 1 tablespoon coffee is there. We ladies are very good doing imaginative measurements. Test it, make it a fine powder. Hope everyone is doing this process. I hope today will be last class for this coffee painting. I'm expecting this. That's why I have given 1.5 months for this. And we use chocolate, better to eat that. We can't use chocolate. सारी चीटियां आ जाएंगी आपके. मंगला. Now, what you have to do, I'm keeping it here. I've taken 1 tablespoon. Then this is 1 tablespoon. Then another, again 1. So you need to take out in 4 parts. Okay. If you have dropper, then with it, this is the best way you can take out water. Dropper is this. If you don't have dropper, then you can use spoon. Dark chocolate. So now I'm going to mix water. Hope you all have taken in 4 parts, 4 different. So now I'm going to pour 1 small tablespoon in each. You have to be little careful, measurement should be proper, because now we are going to make shades and it will take time. With water properly. If you are doing this in AC, then it can dry fast. So you have to repeat, please. Yes, you need to take coffee powder 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 areas are there, like 4 containers are there here in the palette. 1 tablespoon in each. Then 1 tablespoon of water in each. Mix it thoroughly. The small particles should not be visible in that. Hope it's clear to you, Sushma ji. So now I'm moving to another step. Again, you need to take 1 tablespoon. You need to put it here in one of the container, one of the box, okay? Let me write down. This is 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. So this way we are going to do. So here we have taken 1 tablespoon of water. Here we are going to do 2 tablespoons of water. 2. Here we are going to take 3. 1 we already have taken. Now 3. Here. So this will. Okay, so now we have different shades. So we are going to make different shades by using different quantity of water. Okay. So in case we are ready with that, then let me keep it aside. So take out your brush, because now we are going to check shades of these colors. So first, you can write down the way I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. This way I'll come to know this is the darker most, and this one is the lighter. If you can't write, just make sure, don't forget. Okay. Quantity of water is already written there. 1 spoon. Here 2 spoon. Here I have taken 3 spoon, 4 spoon. But we are going to change after sun. So now I am going to take the lighter most, number 4. So this is number 4. Not visible to anyone. See the darker one. So I applied 2 times. Oh, blush it. So this is the lighter one. Let me write down. Then I'm taking third one, almost same. Then fourth one, slight difference. Then, okay, let me name it properly. The first one, which one? Yes, now this one is perfect. Okay, so now you can see number 1, number 2 here, number 4. Okay, so these shades are with us now. हाँ कॉफी की खुशबू आ रही है ज्योति बंसल जी कैन यू शो इट टू मी सिर्फ 4 विंडोज आर ओपन राइट नाउ ओके डार्क मीड थोड़ा सा यू नीड टू टेक लिटिल बिट बहुत ज्यादा ले रहे हैं ठीक है एंड मेक डिस्टेंस इन बिटवीन सारे शेड्स मर्ज हो रहे हैं मैम रिपीट क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर आई ऑलरेडी द स्मेल इज ग्रेट यस समवन शुड बी देयर टू मेक कॉफी फॉर अस है ना काश हम सब इकट्ठे होते See, many serious people are there. सबकी स्माइल कहाँ चली जाती है ये तो फ्री में आ जानी चाहिए कभी भी कहीं भी While doing this work, you should have smile on your face. Please, serious होके मत बनाइएगा. नहीं तो सारे emotions इधर के उधर हो जाएंगे. ज्योति जी, yes. So now, I'm reaching to next step. See, the darker one is clear to you. अब dry होने के बाद it is visible. Lighter is too much of. ठीक है, let's start. थोड़ा सा what I feel. एक और मैं आपको बताती हूँ take 1 tablespoon of coffee and pour over here. Put it here in number 1 because we want to make the shade more darker. Okay? So this way you get darker shade. Darker shade. So, what happened normally whenever I'm doing coffee painting, I try to finish the painting within few hours, because क्या होता है, what you will find, these shades will dry after some time. If आपका फैन ऊपर चल रहा है, AC is on, then ये ऐसे बन जाएगा. You look very nice after dry. मतलब हाथ लगाने का दिल करता है. It gives shiny, if glass जैसा effect आता है. How to make? Yeah, someone was doing on canvas. So canvas में तो please coffee मत apply कीजिएगा. How to make shade in acrylic? Shade in acrylic. So you need to use, if you are using see acrylic shades, I have many. Let me show you. Like to see, these are the acrylic shades. If you are working on canvas, please try to use this. Coffee powder will not work out for this. So what you can do, if you have dark brown, suppose raw sienna is there, then you can mix with white. So white का quantity, जैसे हम water को use कर रहे हैं, same way you need to use white for that. Okay. So now let me see this number 1. Wow, it's coming up well. It's more darker now. If you already got the shade, that's perfect. If it's not there, then please mix 1 tablespoon of coffee in number 1. Okay. So now I am going to do. Okay. Let's start. Clean your brush. Today, I still have 1 hour. So, oh, you need Vibhuti ji, what I need to repeat. So number 1, this. Number 1, what we are going to do in these hearts. Okay. See, it's all about layering work. In first culling, it will not look nice. We have to give 3 to 4 layerings. That I'll explain you later on. Thoda sa patchy aayega, let it come. Once it will dry, then you need to give second coating. Okay. If we give 2 to 3 coatings, that is called layering. So this way, and don't apply again and again. Once you apply, brush size, if you have 0 number, 000, then you can take that. Okay. You have to look at the element size. Accordingly, you can choose the brush. The element size is very small. Please go for 00001. If that one is like inner petals are so big, then you can go for another numbers. Okay. So I'm just doing in 2 hearts because we can't cover up the whole sheet today. Once you do it, don't move your brush again and again. If you will do like this, what can happen? You can tear the sheet because our sheet is little delicate. ज़्यादा पानी नहीं डाल सकते उसमें, हाँ. So now, so I already have done 2 hearts, okay? So you also please do 2 hearts. Rest is your homework. Because I really don't know whether I will be able to take next class or not. I just want to finish it today. So half of the part we can do in the class. Rest you can do at your home. Then you can send the picture. So now, should I move further? Hope you all have done these 2 hearts. It will dry fast, so you have to be little quick. See, मेरे shades अभी से जमने शुरू हो गए यहाँ पर. Yes, so let's reach to another part. Now I am coming to this lotus, the bigger one. Once you're able to understand the technique, you can apply in all the lotus, okay? Same repetition is there. It's very easy. So again, the way I showed you in the lotus, इस वाले lotus में I already showed you, ये वाला darker होगा, okay? So number 1, we are going to use in this. Little bit of area, just outline, this outline. This time you need to follow me 100%. This is the darkest one, yes. Number 1 is the darkest one. Number 4 is the lightest one. Hope there is no confusion in shading. So number 1, I have to be little quick now because it will dry and I'll not able to do shading. So please cooperate with me. So now I am. Okay, I forget to tell you one more thing. You need to take plain water in one of the container. Okay, plain water. We also need plain water. So this is number 5 is of plain water. Number 5 is plain water. You can write somewhere. Number 1 darker. Number 5 water. 4 is lighter. What I am going to do now, I'm taking water. I'm washing my brush with this water. And then I need to spread this darker tone here. I'm spreading it. See, I'm merging it. It's like you are using eraser to remove this line. Look at this. Just make sure you have to be little quick. Otherwise it will dry. मेरा थोड़ा सा dry हो गया because I was showing you water वाला. Then take water. Something is coming on my camera. Looks like मेरे camera के अंदर कुछ आ रहा है. So again, I am going to take darker shade here. Repetition is there. See darker. For number 1, I have taken number 1. Applied 3 times. Overlapping is there, and then washing. Taking clear water, number 5. And then removing this line. Removing, okay? Because we don't want lines. So what we have taken dark shade and then light. Today we will be doing this lotus. Please zoom it. I can't do it because we do something. थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर देती हूँ. I kept. Hope it's visible now. Now again, I'm taking number 1. Applying here. We know that this was the reason I was telling everyone to do broader shape of petals. Hope this is clear to you now. कि अगर petals आपकी narrow हैं, will not able to do shading. At least 2 shades should be there. Okay. Then wash it in another container. Gulbiji, hope you are able to do it. You can write in the chat box if you are facing any problem. See, now this one is there. Plain water number 5, and then I'm merging. Okay, thanks for responding. So right now the effect is not coming, but it will come later on. Once it will dry, we will be giving the shade again. So you need to show a lot of patience in this. Dark and light, dark and water, darker shade, water. Now with water. Just number 5 and water I'm using. And in the middle pattern now, there is a slight change. I'm going to use number 4. After number 1, number 4. Middle petal, number 4 and number 1. We need to wait, let it dry first. Once it will dry, then we'll give the layering. Wet right now. Same number 4 we are going to use here in these petals. Meanwhile, when it's drying, we can touch the other one. I'm doing here. Second one, I'm increasing my speed now. This is the reason I'm taking 4 petals all together. Dark, then light, watery. Ma'am, can you please go a little slow? Yes. Because my this number 1 lotus is drying, that's why I thought to utilize the time. And this can happen with many. So I'm giving this hint to them only. Hope all the instructions are clear to you. Once you get time, please write in the chat box so that I understand. Gloria. Only 6 windows are open in front of me. Jyoti ji ki hai, Raja Ram ji ki hai, Jai Shri, Vaishnavi, Purvi, and Shaurya. I can see only these people right now. Instructions are clear. Thanks a lot. I'm trying my best. Very good, Jyoti ji. Wow, it's looking so nice. अगर आपकी petals broad नहीं हैं, then you must be facing problem. Though I have checked everyone's work and written over there, Nishi Tandon, thanks a lot. Great motivation to me. The dry. So meanwhile, I'm completing other one. I'm feeling like to drink coffee. अच्छी खुशबू आ रही. Number 1, the darkest one. Art is done with only number 1, the darkest one. Okay, Himaji? Amanada here, you explained very well to Shaji. Thanks a lot. It feels so good to read all these type of comments. You know, the teacher who is putting so much of effort and giving you time, what we want in return? Your smile, your feedbacks, your work. Just these 3 things. But मैं देख पा रही हूँ smile थोड़ी missing है. Stress में मत करिए please. ये कलर नहीं आ रहा. Just imagine कॉफी की खुशबू खो जाओ काम करते हुए. मजा तभी है. Yes, Pooja. When we meditate, our instructors also say like you should have smile on your face. Same is here. If you are making any art piece, you should have smile. ऐसे भी करके ले आओ, छीन के ले आओ चाहे किसी से. पूरी करके ले आओ, but ले आओ. थोड़ी सिली बातें करती हूँ मैं, but accept me the way I am. Your teacher is funny. Thanks, girl. I'm feeling really relaxed. It is relaxed because the smell is so soothing. Can I proceed further? Yes, it's drawing my lotus, but abhi bhi wet hai. Thanks, Archana. You ask my students. Sometimes, like whenever like small children were coming over here, उनको मेरा नाम नहीं पता होता था तो वो मुझे क्लाउन मैम बोल देते थे. I used to feel so good. ठीक है. I'm able to give you smiles. That is a big achievement for me. Now getting late. Thank you for your Naksh, but how you will complete it now? At least because I am also not going to show the whole, just this much part. Only 2 lotus I am going to show you. So I'm moving further now. I'm taking the darker tone number 1. So I think you have done, please look at here. The second major instruction is coming. I'm talking about the second layer now. Okay, first layer, it will take time to dry. Mine is already, I think, it's dry. So now I'm going to show you the other one. Look at carefully. You have taken the darker tone, that is number 1, and then outline. See, just this much outline you have to do. Little bit of outline. This is very easy step. अब इसके बाद third layering भी आएगी. But we need to wait. It should dry and then we can start. So now, if you have understood this step, you can work on your project. So number 1, I already have a flight for the outline. Now the same outline will be there in heart shape also, the darker one. If you are holding 0 number or 000, that's wonderful. Because we need to give thin lines. Next, again, now I'm going to use number 4 to cover the rest of the area. Okay. See number 4. If you want to use water, if you feel the shades are not merging properly, you can use water instead of number 4. But there should be the effect of dark and light. So choice is yours. You want to use water or number 4. Now I'm doing in the middle petal, number 1. Again, the outline. See, once you will complete this mandala, what you can do, you can get it laminate also. So laminate कराने से precure हो जाता है. So, मेरे साथ क्या होता है, whenever my art students, they are making beautiful projects, what I tell them to go for the lamination, and some of the project they are using as table mats. बहुत सुंदर सुंदर बन रहे हैं. वो 6 का सेट बना लेते हैं और बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. बच्चों का काम जैसे घर में हो या हमारा ही काम हो. As a change I'm going to do here, I'm going to take number 2 for the big petal. See, यहाँ पे मैं number 2 में ऊपर से shade दे रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. Please look at this. Number 2 say I am giving shading over here. First time I'm using number 2. Then merging with water. So if your color is about to finish, you are already aware about the ratio. You can make it by your own, okay? Just write down the ratio somewhere so that you will not forget. Seven ten. It's about 7:10 हो चुका है. कलर भी ट्राई हो गया मेरा. Rinky. Okay. Guys, if you want to still you want guidance, then what you can do, you can watch my YouTube video. There's time lapse video. Okay, just go through that. You will get hint related to coloring and shading. Reaching to next step. How about the remaining design? Is it to be done in similar way? Yes. Really amazing session has really relaxed me and I enjoyed it. अभी तो शुरू ही नहीं हुआ था enjoyment. Time is short. So sorry. So what one YouTube name मैंने सब कुछ शेयर किया है स्वाति जी. कभी किसी क्रिएशन यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. मैंने एक वीडियो में भी बताया था, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल because the video is over there. In fact, जो मैंने introductory videos भेजी हैं, those are the private one. If you subscribe, then you'll be able to open the link. Hope now it's clear to ma'am. I am a child. YouTube channel. Okay, Swasti. So I take my G back, okay? Swasti G. Kavikirti creation. I already have shared in WhatsApp group. Please have a look. Go through the chats once again. You will find over there. Okay. Let me give you one more instruction. After completing this lotus, there will be third layer. Okay. Third layer. Let me see if it dries. Then I can give you. I can't because this one is not dried right now. So I'm going to give you next step. See, number 4. Number 4 was it lighter? What? Okay. My son has shared here. You can have a look. So now look at this instruction. See, whatever is the base that you need to do with number 4. See, this is the base of whole design. Can you see? This is the base. So you need to do with number 4. ये सारा number 4 से हो जाएगा. So at least इतना आप काम करो. Do you need next class or you can do by your own? Check. Please guide. Do you need tomorrow class or will you able to do it by your own? If you want tomorrow class by 6 p.m. please write yes. Let me see how many are responding. Or maybe I need tomorrow class. Okay. Section. Yes, ma'am, I need. Let me see if like more than 50 people are saying, then I can keep this class. Okay. Okay, Babita G. Okay. I will be sharing in WhatsApp who all need tomorrow's class. Please write down your name over there. If 50 people are there, then I'll contact it. Otherwise, you can have a look to the image and YouTube channel also, because I think major part I already have showed you. Base you need to do with 4 number. So if we are going to have tomorrow class, then please cover the base with number 4. Okay? Number 4 is the lighter shade. Hope you all have written somewhere. If not, then I am going to repeat. Number 1 is the darkest one. Okay? Number 4 is the lightest one. Number 5 is water. And जो दो हैं, the remaining are 2 and 3 medium shades are there. Okay, Ahana. So right now with number 4, I am giving the base of the borderline. Because actually tomorrow I also have another classes. मेरे online classes होती हैं students की. Little occupied. I'll go for the majority. If many people are saying, then I'll conduct. So now, let me see if I can show you the third layer. Yeah, it's dried now. So I'm going to show you the third one. It's again the same. Now I'm going to take number 1. Dry. So what you are going to do, you need to take the darker tone here. Okay? Immediately. Then you need to take water, plain water, and it's like you are removing the line. Okay? This you have to do here. Hope it's clear to everyone. Number 1 I have taken here. Once again, I'm repeating. Number 1 I've taken here. Little bit part of this petal, and then I am going to merge it with water. Okay? Now you need to check, because after drying, you'll find little bit difference. See, I already have done the outline here, but it's not visible. So what I'm going to do, I am giving the outline again. Outline should be visible, because this will show the neatness. Again, the same thing I've done in border petal. Now this repetition is there. Number 1. Then with water. Sorry, I have to be little quick, otherwise it will dry and line आ जाती है. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक mistake करके दिखाती हूँ. So that abhi, what I have done, I have applied number 1 here. Okay. Now I am little slow. मैं बातों में लग गई, कुछ पानी पीने लग गई. I'm into different activity. Then what will happen? It will dry. Okay. Once it will dry, then you are using water to merge it. It will not. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में करके दिखाती हूँ. ये देखो, ये एक patch सा बन जाएगा. You'll find a patch over here. So you have to be little quick. Once you are doing coffee painting, अपना चाय का कप रख लो या जो भी है, whatever is your water, keep beside you. In base, we will do number 4. Yes, number 4 you are going to do with base. Only 1 layer we will do. Yes, in base only 1 layer. It because we are going to give curvy line over there. Let me it's dry हो गया है base. I think it's not dried. I can't show you. कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं नहीं, I can't show you because it's still wet. Say 5 to 7:30. Okay. We have only 5 minutes. So I'm closing this window now. I want to see you people. Can we stop sharing drawing board? Yes. Thanks a lot, Chirag. Chirag is name of my son. Okay. So I'm looking at the chat box now, and you people also, all are visible to me. So whatever you have done today, please share, maybe incomplete hai. Please share there in the thread. Okay, wow, Jyotsna ji, Jyotsna Veera. We have two Jyotsna because once I was writing your name, it's in many are two here. That's beautiful. Outline you have to do, I think the upper one. You have to do. Yes. Okay, let me open chat box. Chat box. Chat with everyone publicly. Yes, I think now you can chat. No, it's not open right now. Why disturbing? Center part, Kalpana ji, just a minute. This chat is working. Chat with organization publicly. I think you can chat with me. I already have opened chat box for everyone. Got smeared at center. I will see. Please, you need to share the picture because here it's very difficult. Why my chat box is not open? I think you all can talk to me. If you wish, you need to unmute yourself. Are you able to do that? Swati ji, it's looking so beautiful. Better than me. Wow, Komal ji. Itne sare lotus. Baapre. Please check my Nidhi ji. I need to find out your window. Or yes, Hema ji. Yes. You need to share your work over there. वहाँ में थोड़े अच्छे से हेमा जी का बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है. So beautiful. You have two windows. हेमा Shidhi. Yes. Suparna, Nidhi, Raja Ramji. This is so beautiful. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Once it will dry, it will give glass effect, shiny effect देता है. बहुत सुंदर लगता है. ये कौन है? मेघना. Meghna, it's looking beautiful. Ahana, Ritu ji. Outline karni hai Ritu ji ko. I think you need to do layering. See, 3 layerings are there. So, abhi karna padega outline. Payal ji, it's looking nice. Danisha, aapka thoda sa. The inner middle lotus is looking very nice. Danisha ji ka jo corner lotus hai, usme there's lot of improvement. You need to do that. So वरना जी आपका कलर मर्ज हो गया है. I think आप पिक्चर भेजो वहाँ पे मैं I will able to write. Okay. So वहाँ पे पिक्चर what I can do, I can zoom the pic and see what all mistakes are there. आप लोग चैट नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं कर पा रहे क्या? Chirag, can you open the chat box? I'm not able to open here. Everyone publicly it is there. नहीं ये है but need to no not this. Unmute everyone. No need. I was trying from here. Not chat. I'm trying to do. Yes.
Ma'am, are we doing something else or for today it is finished?
No, it is not finished. A lot of homework is there.
Oh, ma'am, but mean that
today class is over. Yeah, you can leave. Today class is over. So
Okay, ma'am.
you need class, please write in WhatsApp. Okay, मैं वहाँ पे question put करूँगी.
Okay, ma'am.
Can leave. So we all can leave, I think. Okay,
Please,
because most of the
please
videos
put
are.
what you have done. You put in the group now.
Yeah, that I will put it there on FB
Excuse
and
me?
YouTube
Excuse me,
channel.
ma'am.
Please
Ma'am,
look at
we
there.
have to-
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to fill the background color, the whole part or this one?
Whole, not whole, the border
Outside.
one only. I will be sharing the pic also.
Only this part.
I will be sharing
Okay,
the
ma'am.
pic. I think the pic you all can do.
Okay,
Which
ma'am.
part we have to
Thank
fill
you,
the
ma'am.
borderline. Rajaranji borderline. This is not enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we can leave the class so that I will open chat box of WhatsApp. आप वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. Don't share the pic over there. FB पे करना है, please. Okay. So can we leave the class? And who all are interested, please
Okay,
can
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
personally chat for basic mandala.
Thank you,
Bye.
Kavita. It was a
Bye.
wonderful class.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
Kavita.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.